Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best gaming console in 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best gaming console are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Xbox Series 10, the most powerful gaming console. From a raw technical perspective, the Xbox Series 10 is the most powerful gaming console currently available, and it is enhanced by the stellar implementation of both Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, which makes Xbox Series 10 games look and sound phenomenal. Now, over 2 years since the release of Microsoft's Tower of Power, we're starting to see what the machine is really capable of, pumping out incredible visuals and offering excelling performance across the board. That's thanks to its HDMI 2.1 compatibility, meaning up to 4 Kelvin 120 or 8 Kelvin 60 support, and means you also aren't missing out on features such as ray tracing, too. You just want the performance on display at this price point, which makes Microsoft's latest a real juggernaut that's sure to stand the test of time. What's more, as the system utilizes Gen 4.0 NVMe SSD tech, it isn't slowing down anytime soon. At number 2. Nintendo Switch OLED. The Nintendo Switch OLED is easily the definitive model out of the company's current console lineup. While it boasts the same internals as the stock model, the biggest upgrade with this revision is the screen itself. That's because the larger 7-inch OLED display really makes the most of the admittedly limited processing power, which has remained the same for over 5 years now. Still, as far as handheld and home console hybrids go, you won't find better than this one for the money. It's not quite the Nintendo Switch Pro people continue to ask for, but for what it is, there's no better Nintendo console to rival it right now. No matter which Nintendo Switch model you're planning on buying, if any, you may be interested in what the handheld hybrid's controller options are. Be sure to give our best Nintendo Switch controllers guide a browse if you're curious about taking your Switch games to the next level. At number 3, PlayStation 5. Now well into its second year on the market, the PC is easily the best Sony console you can buy right now for its suite of incredible exclusive titles and powerful performance. We've been consistently impressed by just how capable this machine is, and the prowess of stellar software has been backed up by some excellent hardware, too. In particular, the DualSense controller is easily in a class of its own and truly delivers that real, immersive cutting-edge feel. Some of the best PC games are those which push the expectations of modern titles. We're very much just scratching the surface of what's possible with PS5, though. PSVR 2 is scheduled to launch in February, so couple this emerging virtual reality tech with the ability to play in up to 4 Kelvin 120/8 Kelvin 60, and you've got the makings of a system that's only just begun to flex. If you want stellar visuals, incredible performance, and games you won't find anywhere else, then Sony's latest is the system to keep in mind. At number 4, Nintendo Switch. Even more than 5 years after its initial launch period, the Nintendo Switch continues to win over the hearts and minds of gamers from all generations. With that at first could be arguably deemed a gimmick, the ability to play Nintendo Switch games not only on the TV but also on the go was a big deal. Well, it may lack that star power it once did way back when, but there are still a ton of Nintendo Switch games to indulge in, with excellent first-party exclusives and tremendous third-party support that cannot be denied. However, you're not buying the handheld home console hybrid for its visual prowess of blisteringly quick performance, but for the wealth of exclusive games that you cannot find anywhere else. If you're okay with 1080p resolution when docked and 720% on the go, preferring gameplay to fidelity, then there's a lot to admire about this machine. At number 5, Xbox Series S. Now that the Xbox Series S has been available for well over 2 years, availability has stabilized to the point where we're even seeing further discounts on the budget-minded games console, too. Keep in mind that you are making a number of concessions in the aggressive price point with the Xbox Series S as it falls behind its larger sibling in a number of ways. For a start, the machine lacks a physical disk drive and is limited to 1440 instead of the 4 Kelvin of the Xbox Series 10. The bottom line here is that you're paying roughly 2/3 the price for the Xbox Series S and still getting to enjoy all the great current generation Xbox games. This means that whether you're after a media streaming center for the likes of Netflix and Disney+, the target resolution of this console will make images look far crisper than the standard 1080p picture. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.